All right, let's roll, nerds.
This is Kevin Garza and
Okay.
Raphael Vital.
Are you representing both of them?
Judge, I'm helping David pause on Raphael.
Okay. So the first one is,
First one is Kevin Garza. This is Raphael Vital. This is Mr. Garza.
There's also a third co-defendant.
so Garza, you said Vital or?
That's Kevin, Judge. I'm sorry, Your Honor?
No. The other two are Locklear and Vital, right?
Yes, this is Vital.
Vital.
I'm here on Locklear, Your Honor.
You want to bring them up? Okay. You mind bringing them up?
Sure.
So Victoria, this is the
Yes.
co-defendant.
We have Garza, Vital, and Locklear, all three.
Come on up, guys. All right, so you're Kevin Garza, Mr. Garza, and Mr. Vital, and Mr. Locklear. All of you guys are charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Garza and Locklear were stopped by the same officer, so I'm going to do them first and then move to
Sure,
Vital.
okay.
On July 14th, 2024, undercover officers observed a white Audi and a white Chevrolet Camaro engage in a rolling dragging race by slowing down at approximately 8750 West Park Tollway in Harris County to 30 miles per hour in a 65 zone and accelerate to approximately 140 miles per hour in a
140. Which one did 140?
This one was Locklear and Garza in the rolling drag race. A marked patrol vehicle conducted a traffic stop on the vehicles, and defendant Carson Locklear was the driver of the Chevy Camaro, and defendant Kevin Garza was the driver of the car. Both defendants stated they got pulled over and admitted to racing each other on West Park Tollway. And then moving to Vital. On July 14th, deputies conducted a traffic stop on a red 2011 BMW M3 for racing on the highway. Prior to the traffic stop, undercover deputies observed three suspect vehicles, the red 2011 BMW M3 and the white Chevy Camaro SS and the Audi RS5 traveling side by side eastbound on West Park Tollway, maintaining a speed of 60 miles per hour while side by side, and then kept their vehicles aligned to begin the drag race.
All right, buckle up. This courtroom gets wild fast. 3 drivers, 1 highway, and allegedly 1 very bad decision. Kevin Garza, Raphael Vital, and their third co-defendant are all hauled before the judge, accused of turning a public highway into their personal racetrack. According to undercover officers, these guys slowed traffic to around 30 miles per hour in a 65 zone just to line up, then launched into a rolling drag race hitting speeds up to 140 miles per hour. Yes, 140. The judge immediately locks in on that number, clearly stunned. One by one, the charges are laid out. Racing on a highway, punishable by up to 6 months in jail or a $2,000 fine. Officers say both Garza and another driver even admitted they were racing after being pulled over. Then comes the third defendant in a BMW M3, allegedly lined up side by side with the Camaro and Audi to complete this high-speed trio. What starts as confusion over names quickly turns into a serious legal moment as the reality of the charges sinks in. Street racing, huge risks, and now real courtroom consequences.
All 3 vehicles then simultaneously accelerated to speeds well over 120 miles per hour in the drag race competition to outdistance and outgain each other. The posted speed limit was 65, and deputies conducted a traffic stop on the red BMW M3, and the driver was Raphael Vital, the defendant.
$140 miles an hour.
This courtroom clip escalates instantly when deputies reveal just how dangerous this alleged street race really was. According to law enforcement, all three vehicles, a BMW M3, Chevy Camaro, and Audi RS5, lined up side by side on a public highway, slowed traffic, and then simultaneously launched into a high-speed drag race, blasting past 120 miles per hour in a 65 zone. The goal? To outdistance and outperform each other. But the moment that truly shocks the courtroom is when the judge hears one number, 140 miles per hour. That speed changes everything. What may have started as reckless competition now sounds like a disaster waiting to happen. Deputies specifically identify Rafael Vidal, the driver of the red BMW M3, as one of the racers stopped during the operation. The judge's reaction says it all. This wasn't just speeding. This was an extreme public safety risk, with possible jail time, heavy fines, and serious charges on the table. This case shows how a few seconds of adrenaline on the highway can lead straight to major legal consequences.
I am done with all of you, and I'm now taking away each of your privileges to drive. And if I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time that you drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Judge David Fleischer has officially had enough. In one powerful moment, he strips all three defendants of their driving privileges immediately, making it clear their reckless street racing days are over. But he doesn't stop there. He delivers a brutal warning. If any of them are caught driving again, each violation could mean contempt of court, an extra 6 months in jail, and a $500 fine every single time. The courtroom tone shifts instantly from reckless fun to serious consequences. This isn't just a lecture, it's a complete shutdown. The judge's message is crystal clear. Endangering lives at extreme speeds comes with real punishment, and he's not giving second chances.
I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care where you're going. I don't care if you're hauling baby cats to a damn funeral. What your excuse is. If I find that you drive for any reason, each of you will be doing a substantial amount of time in jail. Each time you drive, it's an offense in and of itself, punishable by 6 months in jail, and I can stack it. Do you understand? Mr. Vital, this is your second racing case.
Judge David Fleischer absolutely unloads on the defendants, making it crystal clear that excuses mean nothing anymore. In one of the toughest warnings yet, he says he doesn't care where they're going or why, even if they're hauling baby cats to a funeral. If they drive at all, for any reason, they're going straight back to jail. Every single time behind the wheel becomes a separate offense punishable by 6 months, and the judge makes it clear he can stack those sentences. Then comes the real gut punch. Mr. Val is called out for this being his second racing case. At that moment, this stops being reckless fun and becomes a pattern the court is done tolerating. The message is brutal and direct. Keep driving, keep racing, and your freedom disappears fast.
I swear to you on everything that's holy, if you get in a car behind the wheel for any reason, there will be HE double hockey sticks to pay. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you not to smoke weed, consume alcohol, and I'm sending you now for a drug test. Do you understand? Tracy, he goes down now. Both of you now, you other two, if I find that you drive for any reason, I will lose my shice. And I'm telling you now, our jails are crowded, but they're not so crowded to have you. And I'm going to tell you another thing. The legislature's made it very easy for district attorneys across the state of Texas to take cars from individuals who continue to do this. I'm surprised, Pavel, did they seize your car, Mr. Vital? I'm very surprised that they haven't done that. And I will be equally surprised if they don't. But get ready. Each of you will come up here, sign this promise to me that you're not going to drive. Heed my warning. You will not get another one. Do you understand?
Judge David Fleischer goes completely nuclear, delivering one final warning these defendants won't forget. He makes it brutally clear, if any of them get behind the wheel again for any reason, the consequences will be severe. No driving, no weed, no alcohol, immediate drug testing, and zero tolerance. The courtroom tension skyrockets as he warns that jail is absolutely on the table, no matter how crowded it is. Then he raises the stakes even higher. Texas law could allow prosecutors to seize their cars entirely. When he points out he's shocked one defendant's vehicle hasn't already been taken, the reality hits hard. This isn't just a warning anymore, it's a last chance. Sign the promise, follow the order, or be ready to lose your freedom and possibly your car.
We're going to reset your cases to give you time to work these cases out with your lawyer. Martin, I saw that you were working over there, but at that speed, I don't care where they're going. I don't care what they need to do in life. My only concern is the protection of the highways in Houston. And I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every single person. If you want to race, there are places designated in Houston for you to do it. On the Sam Houston Tollway, on 610, on 59. That's not the proper place. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, come on.
This courtroom moment shows the judge shifting from pure punishment to a powerful message about public safety. While the defendants are given time to work through their cases with their lawyers, the judge makes one thing absolutely clear. His priority is protecting the people on Houston's highways. He doesn't care where these drivers were going or what excuse they had. At the extreme speeds involved, none of that matters. His focus is on the innocent families, commuters, and everyday drivers put at risk by reckless street racing. He directly calls out major Houston highways like the Sam Houston Tollway, 610, and 59, making it crystal clear that public roads are not racetracks. Then comes the key point. If they want to race, there are legal, designated places for it. This isn't just about punishment. It's about preventing tragedy before it happens. The judge's words send a strong final warning that street racing on public highways won't be tolerated, and he's prepared to do everything in his power to keep dangerous drivers off the road.